Hi, I'm Patrick Priori. I'm Chief Merchandising Officer at PaperSource.
So how do you stay organized throughout your day?
You know, staying organized is so important, I think, for everyone. For me, my biggest tool in staying organized is having a notebook. My notebook is my lifeline. Everybody who knows me knows I never am without it. In fact, funny story is one time I lost it and I almost lost my mind. In fact, I issued a reward that if somebody found it, they would get $50. It was found. I take notes on everything, who attended what meeting, when it happened. I archive dates. I have a series of older notebooks that I go back to and refer to. So that and my phone are the two things that keep me organized. My office is definitely my creative sanctuary. I think there's a happy balance between creating and organizing. This is the more functional part of the office where we're actually working through the calendar and making sure things happen when they need to happen. I would say this is the more inspirational part where, I'm not really a colorful person by nature, but working here has definitely made me appreciate color from a design sense. So our color scope is really our key to how we design our line. I'm always inspired by art. I was recently in the south of France and I love the colors there. Obviously art, modern art is really an influence for me. And then I would just say a personal wall. Everyone should cultivate their own space where they can express themselves, whether it's a mantra that you believe in or your little initial or a fun little piece of art that you make. And it should just really, your office, whatever your workspace is, just represent who you are as a person.
Okay, you noticed this piece of inspiration on your wall. So, important question for you, is a hot dog a sandwich?
That's a great question. Hot dogs, as anyone who has been to Chicago knows, are iconic to the city, and people feel very strongly about hot dogs. I would say hot dog is not a sandwich, it's in a class by itself. I also know from living here and being around people who see people put ketchup on hot dogs that then taints the nature of a hot dog and brings it down to sandwich status. So I would say at its essence, a hot dog is not a sandwich.